Introducing Yamaha's first hydrogen combustion outboard motor. At SEMA, I got a first-hand look at this innovative prototype. Instead of electric or fuel cells, this boat burns hydrogen, producing only water vapor as emissions. The boat uses a 5.6-liter V8 with direct hydrogen injection. Direct injection is key because hydrogen takes up more space and can reduce power if not handled properly. It's stored in 3 high-pressure tanks and no fuel pump is needed. The pressure does the job. However, range is the big challenge. This prototype offers about 46 miles compared to 276 miles for It's not production. It's proof of concept, and it shows hydrogen combustion could be a real future for marine power.